Bhavan Mung Swlaiwi Bhavan Swnamjakmani Yakulo Tangsalo Hasteni Hastepha Indra Sena Reddy Nallu Manjakmungo Palaijakha Nagaland Foundation de
स्वागत किया जा रहा है माननीय राज्यपाल श्री इंद्र सेना रेड्डी नल्लू महोदय को।
Khorang Bhavan Mung Swlaiwi 1 December Salmareni Lok Bhavan Mung Rjaknai Hinai Swlaijakmani Abhaigino Tangsalo Hasteni Bisode Nagaland Foundation de Palaijakha Lok Bhavano Ashalni Pana Palaijakha Hasteni Hastepha Duidul Mumbai Abuni Yakulo Pandao Manjaknai Nagaland Narwairokno Yafarsakha Borom Abuni Yakulo Pandao Kok Sanani Thangai Hasteni Hastepha Indra Sena Reddy Nallu Shaka 1963 Visini 1 December Salmario Indian Union ni 16 state ni Koshimung Manmani Nagaland Abhaigino Ashlo Nagaland ni Hukumukumono Tibok Shaka Hasteni Hastepha.
Good evening to you all. Today we gather in the serene and beautiful premises of the Raj Bhavan, which is Lok Bhavan from today. Is proud brothers and sisters of the great northeastern family of India. We are here to celebrate momentous occasion, the formation day of the magnificent state of Nagaland. On this auspicious day, we extend our warmest greetings and heartfelt felicitation to the people of Nagaland. We celebrate their rich tapestry of culture, their indomitable spirit, and their remarkable journey as a state. The vibrant traditions, the breathtaking landscapes, and profound sense of community of the Naga people are a precious part of India's diverse heritage. While the map may show that Tripura and Nagaland are immediate neighbors, separated by the verdant hills of Assam and Manipur, our hearts and our destinies are extremely inextricably linked. We are bound by shared identity as two of the 7 sisters states. This bond forged by our common geographical context and developmental aspirations in the bedrock upon which we are building a future of mutual growth and cooperation. The relationship between Tripura and Nagaland is a shining example of how states in the northeast are looking beyond their borders to write a new chapter of regional integration. Let me highlight a few pillars of this burgeoning partnership. First and foremost, most significantly is our growing economic cooperation. I am immensely pleased to see the proactive engagement between our business communities. The dialogues between the business associations of Nagas and the All Tripura Merchants Association are not just meetings, they are the seeds from which a mighty tree of trade and commerce will grow. We recognize the immense untapped potential for the exchange of goods, resources, and ideas between our people. Second, our partnership is pivotal for regional connectivity. Tripura's strategic location with the upcoming Subroom land port is not an asset for Tripura alone. We envision it as a gateway for the entire northeast states, including Nagaland. This port will provide a crucial link to the Bay of Bengal and the markets of Southeast Asia, offering Nagaland an alternative and efficient route for its trade and commerce. Furthermore, establishing a seamless rail linkage is a priority that will bind our states in an unbreakable chain of progress.
Ashlo Nagaland Fire Mansan and Royal Kari Manzaka Tripura Hasteni Dalbidal College or Rungsringi on a strain rock.
पूरे नागालैंड वासियों के लिए और हमारे भारतवासी जो है सबके लिए आज नागालैंड का फाउंडेशन डे है। नागालैंड
That's a crowd in the program. The Chini Khorang.